All right, so I cleaned up all the Loctite on the inner leg here and also the axle holder. So I need to take this off. So you need a 14 millimeter socket. 14 millimeters is very difficult to find as far as if you go to like the hardware store or something like that. Usually they don't usually get that big. They usually only get up to about, I think, 10 millimeters. So I got this one at a auto parts store. I think I got it at Pep Boys or Grand Auto or Kragen or whatever, O'Reilly's, whatever, one of those places. So it came in the set. There was a 12 millimeter, a 14, I think a 17, and maybe a 15 or 16, I forget. But anyways, 3 or 4 of them. So like so. Ooh, that's tight. Shouldn't have been that tight. This thing doesn't need to be very tight. All right, so this is the important part right here. Get something underneath here because oil is gonna spill out. So I need to put my oil catch underneath there. Okay, got an oil catch underneath there. Let's see. Okay, got that underneath there. And the other important thing is the spring is right in here. So there's gonna be tension. So once the thread comes off, this thing will shoot out. So I'm gonna have my hand here ready to hold the spring basically. I'm not gonna touch this because this thing is still, well, it's not too high anymore, but it's still pretty warm. So remember, there's an O-ring right here. So make sure that doesn't fall off. You don't lose that. And there's another O-ring right here. That's the seal. So once it breaks the seal, there's gonna be oil dripping out. Let me lower this camera a little bit. Again, this thing is spring loaded, so keep your. Whoops. God dang it! I wasn't able to hold it with one hand, and you see it shot out. That's funny because I was about to put my other hand over here on the vise and brace myself, but too late. So you see how it just shot out, and there was oil coming out. So there's 2 things that shoot out. Let's see if I can find the part. Shit, it's all over the place now. So one thing is this washer right here. This washer goes along right here. So every time there's a spring, you always want to have a washer against it. So basically that spring helps protect whatever part between the spring and whatever part. So that way the spring doesn't rub against the part and wear it out. So that's what usually the washer is for. So that's that washer, and I believe the top cap. Where the hell did the top cap go? Oh, there it is. Oh, so there's the top cap, and that's it. That's all that's in there. So I'm gonna wipe these down. Wipe this down. And wipe the threads down basically. Thread looks a little dirty because it flew down onto the ground. Picked up all the dirt in there on the ground. So let me get my wire brush. What's my wire brush? Where the heck did I put the wire brush? Oh, there it is. So wire brush this threads here. Do a little bit of dirtiness from falling on the ground. Okay, there's that. Should be good enough. Piece is still warm. It's not hot, but it's warm. And be mindful of the O-ring here. Make sure that it's not damaged. If it is damaged, you're gonna get a new one. So this one's okay. I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm gonna reuse it. Honda. If you ever look at Honda service manuals, every time there's a O-ring, and when you take things apart, they always say to put in a new one. And that's a good idea to do that. Okay, so let's take this out. So take it out. There's gonna be oil coming out as well, a little bit. So watch out for that, spilling all over the place. Okay, there's a spring. Wipe this down. that down. Set that aside. And I'm gonna take this rod off and get the dampening rod in here, out of there. Take this off the vise. There's a the damping rods in here. So let me actually put this right down here. Oops. Otherwise, oil's gonna get everywhere. Always oil everywhere. Okay. I just heard the damping rod slide down. So let's leave my fork leg down and the damping rod's right there. Slide right out. There you go. There's the damping rod. Like so. I'm gonna set my leg aside. Set the fork leg aside somewhere. Let's look at this damping rod. Actually, I'm gonna do another video, I guess, so we can compare the damping rod, the original damping rod, with the Olin's damping rod. So stay tuned for that.